welcome to my channel. This is Making Money with Marty Moose. I am Marty Moose. All the information presented here is for informational purposes only, does not constitute financial investment or other advice. Hey, I'm going to talk today about ticker symbol CRIS. I do have a position of 100 shares in my Charles Schwab account and 70 shares in my WeBull account. What I'm going to talk about is kind of what I believe is a good entry point. If you can get this stock around 1070 or less, that's going to be a really excellent buy. We can see here that they're going to announce their earnings here in a few days on the 16th of March. They expect kind of come under the estimated earnings, but what I see here is through some analysts is a strong buy and kind of a the higher target price, and it's currently at 1092. That's why I think it's kind of it's a good buy. It's it's been as high as 1344. That was back in mid-January, and before that it was trading down really low. So it's gone up over time. If we look at the 1 hour, it's kind of had a very upward trend vector the last few trading days. So that's why I think it's a really good buy right now. And what I'm also going to do is talk about in the Schwab account. I'm going to write a covered call on this. So I have, like I said, I have 100 shares in the Schwab account, and I'll just demonstrate this in the WeBull account. So here we have it. I own 100 shares of it, and I'm going to write or sell to open a covered call to sell 100 shares at a strike price of $15. It's going to expire on the 19th of May, 19th of March, which is just 5 days away. So I'm going to get a premium of 15 cents per share, or $15 to do that. It's best kind of explained in this right here. So I paid in the Schwab account, I paid $10 a share, and I own 100 shares of it. So if I write this covered call, I'm going to get a premium of 15 cents. It's going to effectively make my new share price $9.85. The expiration date of the covered call is the 19th of March, so 5 days away. A strike price of 15. So if this, because of the earnings report, if the stock price goes 15 or higher, this call will be in the money and it will be exercised, and I will be obligated to sell my 100 shares at $15. And that's fine with me. I own another 70 in the WeBull account, so I'm not selling my entire position. And I'm going to get $1,500 for my $1,000 investment, and which I believe I just bought, maybe it was less than a month ago. So that's a profit of $515 or 52% in a little less than a month, and so I'm happy with that. And here's why I don't think that strike price is going to go above it. I will show that there's a lot of open interest in this strike price. So there's a lot of people that maybe are speculating. So a long call, people are maybe spending $20 in the hopes that maybe the stock just shoots on up. But if we look at the chart over time, and a lot of times it's easier to see on the one-day chart, we see that the price has never really gone above 15 at all. So it's a calculated risk for me that when the earnings come out, that the stock will go up in value. However, I do not believe it's going to go above 15. So what will happen to this covered call is that it will simply expire worthless and I will retain the $15 premium that I received for selling to open the covered call, and then hopefully I'm just gonna do it again. But if it does go up higher than 15, say it shoots up to 17, I will lose out on some profit. However, because I have a position of 70 shares in WeBull, I'm kind of like, okay, that's okay. So it's a calculated idea of like, okay, I can sell 100 shares and make 50% profit. And I'm still going to own 70 shares in case it goes up. And if it doesn't go up above that, I'm just going to go with this covered call. I'll decide what to do in the future, either write another one or just kind of see what the stock does and just kind of keep owning the stock. So that's kind of my take about this stock. I believe it has a really good potential. That's why I kind of put it in this level 2-1 to kind of be a midterm to long-term hold. It's really got the potential to run on up. So I just wanted to talk about that and get the word on out. So if you're interested in taking a position, you can have some knowledge about that. So again, subscribe, like, comment. Again, I'm just trying to tell you what I'm doing with my investments. Just passing on the information and kind of what I'm thinking. Again, if you like the channel, subscribe. I'm going to keep trying to put these out when I can, usually on a daily basis, and kind of, again, just kind of describe how I've come to build my investments, which essentially is wealth building. We'll certainly touch on other subjects too as we go about these videos. Again, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel, like or comment below. Thanks.